Happy birthday, Nikita. We wish you lots and lots of happiness on this birthday. May your dream of becoming a digital nomad come true this year. Have a beautiful birthday. Stay young. Stay forever 25. Happy birthday.
First of all, you had us all believe that you're 1 year younger, and now suddenly we're finding out it's not true, which has left us all very confused. But when you think about it, I don't think it was because of that we believed it, but because of your positive take on life and your insane belief in the universe and the people around you that made us believe it. So I don't know about forever 25, but I know for a fact that you are that person who is like a kid, like 2 or 5, when it comes to birthdays and exciting plans and small little things, or you're like in your 20s when it comes to our crazy hair battles, or you can be like a 52-year-old when it comes to being that old friend that you need. So I think forever 25 also works for you, but so does all of the other things. Happy birthday.
I think you're going to be forever young, because inside you is this child who's always happy and bubbly and always thinking positive things for the world and the people around you. And I think it's a quality that many people would like to have and should have. And I've always looked up to you for this very same quality. Have a happy, great, awesome birthday.
When I was told that we had to make birthday videos for you, my first plan was to film myself as I woke up in the morning before my eyes even opened, so that it would be truly authentic and you claim to like that face so much. But I didn't do that because that would be creepy and weird. That apart, I have moved to another country and I've met a bunch of other people, but till date, I still don't know even a single person who wakes up happy in the mornings the way you do, and it is still insufferable. And I love you for it. So, happy birthday, and here's to many more insufferable, cheerful mornings. Have a great time.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू निकिता, happy birthday to you.
Hi Flip Flop! It's really hot and all I can think about is taking a huge watermelon and stuffing it into the refrigerator and freezing it and then cutting it into half, putting some white rum into it and sticking 2 straws into it and sharing it with you. Do you remember that time that you locked me into the house? I should be really mad at you, but I found it so funny that I can't be. I've had some really great fun memories with you and I really hope to build more. Have a great year. It doesn't matter if you're 25, 26, 27, you'll always behave like a 10-year-old, and that's what I love about you. Like curled up in your orange blanket looking like Garfield, crying about some really stupid thing and making people laugh and being your orange fuzzy positive self. If snowflakes were kisses, I'd send you a blizzard. Happy birthday.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Nikita, happy birthday to you.
Hey Nikita, happy birthday to you. So yeah, I know it says 25 forever, forever 25 or whatever, and the others seem to be a little bit upset that you have apparently been hiding your true age from all of us, and you're not actually 1 year older, younger to them, but you're still 2 years younger to me, so that really doesn't, it makes no difference to me. There are just a few pointers in the video. The reason why my hair looks so short is because these ends are a weird step cut thingy. The actual thing reaches way along in the back. So yeah, I'm still very much in the competition with you. That hasn't changed. Yeah, so that's, I don't know what to say beyond that, except that I don't think you're like a young childy soul thingy, which is great, nothing wrong with that. I think you're one of the oldest souls I have met. I think you should be the ancient child if we were all taking on characters, because you seem to have all the knowledge and wisdom that an old soul does, and all the peppiness that a child does, and I think it's the best combination. And I just love you and hope to see you again. And Vinny says happy birthday too. So yeah, much love. You look gorgeous, by the way, the hair included, just this once. I'm just going to admit it once.
So the first time I met Nikita was the first day of interviews at SIMC, and from that day on to this day, she's always seemed to have a shit together, or so she would have you believe. What I associate with Nikita is Nikita moments. She'll explain them to you better than I do, but she's always so absent-minded. But even so, she always somehow, whatever life throws at her, she manages to get her shit together. And that's something we've all got to take away from Nikita. Like whatever comes your way, you've got to always pull through and figure it out. And she always manages to do it with a smile on her face. So yeah, man, have a happy birthday, and hope you have a great year.
So there's an episode in Friends where Joey turns 30, and they have this whole thing where they pray to God that he never turns beyond 30. I think we can do that for you at the age of 25. And now I'm confused if you're turning 26 or 25, but you will forever be 25, and we shall all pray to God together around a round table. So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! You always be my freak streak, and I am so glad to be spending this day with you. Look to the left or to the right. I am waiting to give you a big puji. So, forever 25.
बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तेरी, नाम लूं मैं किसका, नहीं नहीं ऐसा हंसी कोई नहीं है जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू।